This ABC 23 News Update is brought to you by Wolf Furniture.
Hi, I'm Josh Bandish, and this is a look at your local news on ABC 23. Firefighters found the body of a 30-year-old man in a home destroyed by flames. Investigators now working to find out if he died before or after that fire broke out. The fire happened along Lafayette Road, that's in Bloomfield Township, Bedford County. The victim's name has not been released. The holiday weekend off to a slow start for some travelers on the Pennsylvania Turnpike. This was the scene Friday afternoon in Somerset County. Traffic slowed for miles. We're told a truck hauling a camper drove off the road and went over a hill. Emergency crews were busy through the night cleaning up the mess. Here's what an eyewitness had to say.
Started fishtail, and I looked away, and the next thing I know, it just flipped over the guardrail, and there was a lot of smoke and dust.